Hey guys, this is the video version of the agenda. This is for period 1 and period 3. You guys are doing the same thing in class today. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel at the end of this, because why not? Let's go over the agenda. So you guys both have the same agenda. Today's agenda right here. That's third period, and first period, there's the agenda. If you didn't join the quizzes class, do that, because first up on the agenda, after you read this exciting introduction, look at what we have to do today. Quizzes Economics Test Review. Remember, Quizzes is this education app that allows us to review and track how we're doing. I want you to take this as many times as you need to get a perfect score. It's 22 questions, so it is kind of a lot, but you can use your notes to figure out the right answers. You know, I wouldn't take longer than 20 minutes to do this. After that, it's really too much. Okay, you won't need a code. You should be able to just play the game, and it should be as easy as that. As soon as you get into quizzes, since you're a member of the class, it should be there for you. Which is why, if you weren't here on Monday and you didn't join our class, then you need to join our class. That means Karole and Stalin, because you weren't there. Third period, I can't remember. So after you do the quizzes review, it's time to take your economics test. Alright, it's test time, no talking, no notes, no note cards. You know the drill. Go to Horizon, click continue, and good luck. It's only 15 questions. Do your best. So the second part of the test is the economics unit writing, which we started on Thursday. And the question is, which type of economy is most effective at taking care of its citizens? So we started this on, like I said, on Thursday. We all had our reasons. There's no wrong answer. Fill out this organizer with your reasons and your evidence, and then in your conclusion, wrap it all up. Restate your reasons. You don't have to re-explain it, just restate your reasons here. Then copy all of it, paste it right here, and then subscribe to my YouTube channel. You don't have to do that. Alright, so you finished the quizzes, the multiple choice, and the writing. And now comes time to do test corrections and a reflection. So people ask if they can do retakes for tests, but instead I provide you with this reflection piece. There's hard copies at the front of the room. Probably should make some more. They'll be there for you on the bookshelf. Make sure you fill out your name. Give me the score that you got out of 15. Maybe you got a 10, 11. The date and the test name, economics unit. Then follow the example here. Tell me the question you got wrong, what answer you put down, and then what you think the correct answer is. The most important part is right here. You need to explain your answer. You can't simply put, well, first I thought the answer was A, then it was C, and the reason is because I just chose wrong the first time. That would not give you half credit. So make sure you spend some time telling me why the correct answer is correct. Other than that, make sure your note cards are complete. If you still have time, you can go watch CNN 10 using headphones and complete this reflection. And then I will see you on Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys. Oh, wait. How do I stop this? Seriously, I can't figure it out.